Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the wallpaper on a smartwatch using the Hiwatch Pro application. The first step is to connect the smartwatch to your phone. If you have already done this step, you can skip the video to where the arrow is. Install the Hiwatch Pro application from your application store. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone, and your phone need to have an internet connection to change the wallpaper. Follow the steps shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. After connecting the smartwatch to your phone, follow the steps shown in the video to change the wallpaper on your smartwatch to any picture from your phone. As you can see, the wallpaper has been updated on my smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.